type of problems in the projection of planes. So the first problem today we are going to see about the triangle problem. A 30-degree, 60-degree set square of 60 mm longest side is kept such that the longest side is in HP, making an angle of 30 degrees with VP. The set square itself is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to HP. Draw the projection of the set square. So this is the problem. Today we are going to see the very first problem. So to start with this problem, go to the line command, take a line of thickness 0.5 for drawing the lamina in the first position. So since we know only one edge length, so take the edge length of 60 mm. So next you have the 30 degree, 60 degree set square. So from the first point, from the first end point, so since we don't know the distance, you are going to set the angle at an angle of 30 degrees. Then you are going to take this line, extend the line. Next, from the next end point, you are going to draw the another angle that is 60 degree. So since this is the external angle we are going to take, we are going to take at an angle of 120 degrees. So extend these lines. So then the extended lines, by using the trim command, you can trim these lines. So now this is in the this is not to the required position. So you need to rotate this lamina. So select the lamina using select tool, select the lamina, go to rotate command, disable copy. So select the endpoints of the longest edge. So place this as this line should be perpendicular to the XY line and place it this lamina in HP since this is resting in HP. Then you are going to name the corners. So this is your corner A, B, and corner C. So next, show the edge length, the longer edge length. So this is the lamina in HP, first position of the lamina in HP. Next, by using projection line of thickness 0.13, so draw the front view. So I'm going to project this on to the XY line. Then for the front view, take thick line, join these end points. Join these end points. So you can use leader command and you can place this on the projection line so that you can show so what will be the direction of the projection lines. So next, come to the text command. So this will be B dash of A dash and other end will be of C dash. So this is the first position of this problem. So next is it makes an angle of 30 degrees to VP. So this is for the third part. Now you have to incline with respect to HP. So it says that the set square itself is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to HP. So we have satisfied this condition where the longer edge is resting on HP. So now we'll come to the second condition where the set square is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to VP, 45 degrees to HP. So select the front view using the select tool command, then come to the move command, enable copy. So from a reference point, place this on the XY line. Then directly come to the move rotate command. So from B dash A dash, so this is fixed, and C dash, the opposite corner. So this has to be tilted. It will make an angle of 45 degrees. So rotation angle, you are going to give it as 45 degree. Type 45, enter and position it. Next, go to the line command, take the projection line, draw the projections. And also draw the projections from the top view of the first position. So from the end points A, B, and C. So now you can remove the extended lines by using trim command so that only the endpoints will remain. So next, go to the line command, take a thick line. So you have these corners A, B, C. So you can just join the endpoint. So this will be your corner A, corner B, and corner C in the third position, second position. So third position, what we have this, the longest edge is making at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. So this is given in the first set in the problem. So you should be careful so that the 60 mm longer side 60 mm is in HP and it is making at an angle of 30 degrees with VP. So therefore AB, this is a longer edge. So that is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. So go to line command using thin line, draw a line so that it will make an angle of 30 degrees to VP. So this is making an angle of 30 degree. So in the second position, so this is making an angle of 45 degree. So next, go to the select tool, select the second position carefully. Go to the move command, enable copy either from endpoint A or endpoint B. So select the triangle in the second position. So place this on the 30-degree line. So place point A on 30-degree line. So then directly come to the rotate command. So from point A and point B as your reference, rotate. So till this place on the 30-degree line. Next, go to the line command, thin line or the projection line. So from endpoint A, draw the projection lines. Endpoint B, draw the projection lines. And endpoint C, draw the projection lines so that you can end this point. So since you have 3 endpoints, so using thick line, so join A, B, and C. So finally, you can name this as A dash, B dash, and C dash. So this is the problem what we are going to